What happens when you touch oscilloscope probe? You see induced voltage from 50 Hz, which is almost 2 volts. So let's try to harness it. The rectifier and 0.1 microfarad capacitor. This happens when I touch the capacitor and release it. Now probe resistance is 1 megohm, so it quickly discharges. So I connect multimeter with internal resistance of 1 megohm and touch by hand and get 500 millivolts on 1 megohm load. So I have built a rectifier where AC inputs are coupled together, and this is grounded. So basically the circuit is same as with 2 diodes, and half volt over 1 megohm, it's half microamp. Current it's quite small. I charge 1 microfarad capacitor. Oscilloscope says that I charge to 3 volts. And we will measure voltage with multimeter. Oh, it was 2 volts. Better multimeter with 10 megohm internal resistance, and I can charge up to 5 volts 1 microfarad capacitor, but need also airs, need to ground another AC connection. I will try outside with my car. Present I'm running from antenna, which is paper suspended in wires, and we have 0.67 volts. This rectifier bridge with transparent diodes did not work. They act as photo cells. Switched back to 220 volt rectifier. Running from 50 Hz with capacitively coupled electricity. And when circuit is operating, there should be a jump in a current. If there is no jump, then magnets are moving too slowly to start the circuit. Running pulse motor on antenna, 10 meter of wire, and ground connection. When the rotor is turning, we have 0.5 volts across 10 microfarad capacitor. If the rotor stops, then this voltage increases, and from it is possible to see that motor is running, that the voltage is not like 1 volt, but of course it would be nicer to have a longer wire and more current. Actually from half volt the circuit would stop going, so I need to hold tweezers at the AC port and act as bigger antenna. And now the circuit runs happily at 0.6, 0.7 volts. Voltmeter is producing 0.1 microamp discharge current. Its internal resistance is 10 megohm input resistance. This coil from a relay has amazingly high resistance of 35 kilo ohms. Standing under 100 kilovolt electricity line, can power LED. There is ground electrode, and other is a car. Quickly charge 10 microfarad capacitor. The current between car and ground 100 microamps, 0.1 milliamp. When holding antenna in hand, get 20 microamps.